Hi, welcome to this newly installed system. It's the version of the future version for December already. So we've been working on these packages and the name changes and all that. And we're having a installation on SSD. And let's use the time as well to explain again how fast I'm up and running using a personalized URL. You can use bit.ly for that, for instance. Arco get started. We're at number 3, so it will change in the future. These are my scripts, of course, not yours, but get from them whatever you want, because it's super easy to get things up and running after a clean installation. Everything comes from the cloud. So reuse my scripts, make your own bit.ly URL and install everything afterwards. So these are the things I'm doing after a clean installation. This thing will change my name here in the make package. Remember the error you get all the time. It says here, packager should have the format blah blah from, and that's a fix for that. So in the meantime, everything is updated. I've just changed something in the colors. I didn't like it to be this transparent, so this is a little bit less transparent, from 70% to 80%, I believe it was. So that's going to be, will show next time I'll boot. It's an etc scale, so my reflex is already scale, right? So that's done. And we'll just have to wait. So a lot of things I install next to after a clean installation, it's just not finished when I install an ISO. I mean, it's never finished when you install any distro out there. In this case, I'm installing LastPass, as you see here. That's done. Flameshot is installed. Then Discord is installed. Dropbox is installed. Spotify is installed. All things that are not on the ISO. Telegram desktop. So if you want those too, I became the maintainer of Gitfiend, so it's in there as well. So I keep track that everything works. And then we are in InSync. InSync, I'm also the maintainer, so I'm installing that as well. But I'm using it. It's a Google Drive synchronizer, so that's working as well. And anything in here, anything in the downloads, you just take a look. Where is my downloads? You just take a look what's in here. Maybe you can do something similar. And there's a minimal start, a full start, and a clean out for the building. So if you're an ArcoLinux B builder, then you have these scripts to clean up the builder folders afterwards, stuff like that. Getting all my ArcoLinux ISO GitHubs, so you can get those too. Maybe not these guys, but the B versions, all ArcoLinux B versions in one go. That's just number 1 you need to run. All the ArcoLinux DIs, GitHubs you want to get, is just this one. So it's a lot of things that are in here. Even build everything in one time, so build all full versions in one go, build all minimal versions for ArcoLinux B, things that I use that you can reuse. It's up to you to decide if you can use these things. You see he's doing a lot of work. At some point in time, he's actually going to go and install the ArcoLinux Nemesis. So it's a combination of two scripts that I'm using. You'll find both of them on arcolinux.com, explained what it does. So you check it out. It's going to go inside the folder ArcoLinux Nemesis. In the data folder, he's going to run all the white things, and all the black things he's skipping, because this is called minimal start. With the others, I'll install more, right? So a quick video to show how I organize my life after a clean installation, get everything in. All right, cheers.